Hello. Okay, there we go. Stop it. Alright, about halfway through. Whatchamacallit.
G'day and welcome to another episode of the Lindgren Brothers. Today we'll be doing another product review.
And today we will be reviewing Lady Minerals.
Without the revive this time. Now we know who Jotun are. They're the guys who did the Eiffel Tower and that exceptionally large building with a cool angle shot going upwards.
This is more like a real, normal paint, lime wash paint. So you just apply it to the wall, wishy-washy, 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 the effect you want.
Alright, so enough talk from us. Let's get straight away to the demo video and watch how it's supposed to be applicated. Alright, so plain white wall, guy doing his best to stroke, touching it up, getting ready for some action.
Safety goggles, very important.
While stirring.
Oh yeah, dip the brush.
And then it's just a matter of just whacking it on.
Applying.
And doing that wishy-washy effect. Suppose you can have nice smooth long brush swipes or short brisk swipes to get the different effects.
Good wrist action.
And then it takes 24 hours to dry properly.
And then you have to touch the wall again.
Just to make sure that you did it correctly.
Yeah.
And that's the sort of effect we're going for, but we want it a little bit more smooth and drawn out.
A bit longer strokes.
Alright, sounds simple enough. I guess we'll give it a try. By the way, side note, we're only going to be doing this with one coat. We've undercoated the 4 bedrooms that we're going to be painting with this Jotun product. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Piece of piss. Well, we're about halfway through. We've done the light blue room and the light browny beigey kind of room. The effects quite cool at the moment. Hopefully it'll look even better when it's dried. But we do have a few views, issues and thoughts about the whole procedure. Gonna smack on with the other half. We'll give you a bit of our review about it in a bit.
So that's the end of the day. We've managed to paint 4 bedrooms with Jotuns Lady Minerals lime wash paint. And what do we have to say about it? Does it do what it says on the tin?
It does exactly what it says on the tin, but at the start it's a bit fiddly. You have to... It's better to water it down a little bit so it's easier to kind of maintain, and after a while, well, after a whole day, then you get the hang of it. You have to be very fucking quick.
Yeah, you do, and you definitely need to water it down a bit, because otherwise one person could never do this job alone, because otherwise it starts tacking off really fucking quickly.
Now, it's one thing, if you're going to do this kind of job in a place where it's got high ceilings, then I haven't got a clue how the fuck you do it.
I don't know.
Because then you have to ladder up and down kind of thing, and no, it wouldn't work.
The ideal situation would be if there were 3 people. One cutting in, one doing the rolling, and one doing the swiping with a wide brush. After seeing that demonstration video, it's the easiest effect you could ever possibly do. That's what they want you to think.
Piece of piss.
Exactly. But it's not. You have to be very effective with the way you're working. But in saying that, the effect is very cool.
Yeah.
It really is a cool effect. It's sort of that sort of flat lime washy effect, which is pretty modern nowadays, and really happy with the result actually.
Yeah. All's well that ends well, but there has been many a curse word today.
Yeah, just a few.
Yeah. So fuck, shit, bollocks, till swank. See you all tomorrow.
Take care.